Walk into almost any hotel, from a small boutique hotel to a 5-star luxury resort, and you'll probably find the exact same thing. White bed sheets, not cream, not grey, not navy. White. Which is strange, because white stains the easiest. It gets dirty the fastest. And it's the hardest color to keep looking perfect. So why would hotels deliberately choose the most difficult color to maintain? Because white isn't actually for the bed, it's for you. Imagine checking into your hotel room. You walk over to the bed, without touching the sheets. Before you've even sat down, your brain has already made a decision. This room feels clean. The interesting part, you never inspected it. You simply saw white. Our brains instinctively associate bright white with cleanliness, freshness, and hygiene. Even when two sheets are equally clean, the white one almost always feels cleaner. Hotels understand something important. Guests don't experience cleanliness, they experience confidence. That confidence matters more than most people realize. You're about to spend 8 hours lying in a bed that hundreds or even thousands of strangers have slept in before you. That's an uncomfortable thought. White sheets quietly solve that problem. If there's a stain, you'll see it. If the sheets weren't washed properly, you'll notice. Ironically, the easiest color to stain is also the hardest color to hide dirt on, and that's exactly why people trust it. But psychology isn't the only reason. There's also a surprisingly practical one. Hotels wash thousands of sheets every single day. Unlike colored fabrics, white linen can be washed at very high temperatures. It can be cleaned using stronger bleaching agents without worrying about fading. That means housekeeping can remove stains more effectively while keeping every sheet looking identical. A blue sheet slowly becomes a different shade of blue. A white sheet can simply become white again. Then something unexpected happened. In the 1990s, many luxury hotel brands deliberately embraced what became known as the heavenly bed trend. Bright white sheets, fluffy white duvets, large white pillows. Instead of hiding the bed, they turned it into the centerpiece of the room. Hotels discovered something fascinating. Guests didn't remember thread counts. They remembered how the bed made them feel. Soft, fresh, comfortable, safe. White quietly became the color of luxury. Today, even budget hotels often use white bedding. Not because it's cheaper. In fact, it often costs more to maintain. They do it because the color communicates something no advertisement ever could. We have nothing to hide. Luxury isn't always created by adding more. Sometimes it's created by removing doubt. That's what makes hotel sheets surprisingly interesting. They're not simply fabric, they're a signal, a silent promise between a hotel and its guests. Every perfectly white bed tells you something before you've touched it. Not that the room is actually cleaner, but that you're supposed to feel that it is. And maybe that's the real lesson. Some of the most powerful designs aren't the ones that attract attention. They're the ones that quietly earn your trust without you ever noticing.